Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as my family's private chef, I wanted to whip up something that was romantic, something that was just delicious and comforting. So I decided to make some chicken parmesan with some scampi pasta. If you want to see how I made it, just keep watching. And as I've said before, I love music, so I usually like to set the mood when I'm in the kitchen cooking or baking with one of my favorite vinyls. Put it on. I'm going to pour me a glass of wine because we know scampi is made with white wine, and we're going to get cooking. Okay, with chicken parmesan, you always need 3 bowls, one for your flour, one for your eggs, and then one for the breadcrumbs. When I do my flour, I add my seasonings in the flour as well as the protein. And then when I do the breadcrumbs, I add some Parmesan cheese, mix it all together, and then we're going to start preparing our chicken breast. Okay, I let my chicken rest for a bit, and then we're going to take it outside and fry in our outdoor fryer. Next, I want to cut up pieces of my block of mozzarella so that I can lay that on top of the chicken. And I just grabbed a jar of classical marinara sauce from the store. Nothing too major, nothing too hard. Lay my chicken out. Going to cover the top with that marinara sauce, and then I'm going to lay those slices of mozzarella cheese all on top, completely cover it, and then I'm going to pop them into the oven on 350 for about 5 minutes to heat the cheese through, and then I'm going to broil it so that the cheese is nice, melty, and bubbly. Now I'm going to cut up my shallot so that I can get ready to make my scampi sauce. I prefer a creamy scampi, which means that I will be adding some heavy whipping cream to make it a creamy base. But yeah, you just need your shallots, you need some garlic, you need your white wine. If you're making it creamy, some heavy whipping cream, and then your Parmesan cheese, your seasonings, and your Asiago cheese, okay? That's how I quickly make a scampi sauce. So you'll see that I'm cutting up the shallots, and then we're going to start on our sauce. Okay, to the pan I add my butter, and then I'm going to add my garlic, and then I'm going to add my shallots to saute them to get them soft. Next, I'm going to add to the pan the white wine. Now, guys, I do not have exact measurements. I usually just eyeball how much I need. So please be mindful that I don't have exact measurements to give you. I'm just going with the flow. I'm just going with the feeling of things. Once the alcohol has cooked off in the white wine, I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream, and then I want to add my seasonings, whatever seasonings you prefer, whatever seasonings that you like in your household, that's what you add to your sauce. And then I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese, my Asiago cheese. Let it simmer, let the little sauce thicken up some more, and then we're going to work on our noodles. For my noodles, I do cook my pasta noodles in chicken broth, or I add water with some chicken bouillon. So what you will see is I add my noodles to a yellow looking water. That's because I use chicken bouillon to give the noodles flavor. I don't know, I started doing that, and ever since I started it, it just adds more flavor to the noodles in my opinion. But of course, cook your noodles however you see fit. Okay, so everything is pretty much done. We're going to add our noodles to the sauce. I add my noodles a little bit at a time to make sure that I have the appropriate proportion of noodles to sauce. I hate for my sauce to be like drowning out my noodles, or the noodles to be too much and it makes everything dry. So I'm combining the noodles and the sauce, and then I'm going to plate. I'm going to have that chicken parmesan on the bottom, and then I'm going to put this creamy scampi pasta on top. Guys, it was so good. I cannot wait to make this again. Definitely let me know in the comments below how you like to make your pasta dishes, how you like to make your chicken parmesan. Give me tips and tricks if you see that, hey, I could benefit from them. But yeah, guys, that's it. Like I said, it was good. Look how good that chicken looks, guys. But, you know, you guys, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Please drop your girl a like or leave a comment. It really helps me out on here on YouTube. I would really, really appreciate it. But yeah, until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. You guys be blessed. Bye.